Welcome to this KQT Health Learning Management System lesson for the Trauma Softcore app overview. Please adjust your device volume so that you can hear the material comfortably as it is being presented. In this lesson, we will explore the Trauma Softcore app and review the functions of the app. TraumaSoft is the employee portal system for KQT Health and provides many different functions and capabilities for the organization. If you have not completed the lesson, TraumaSoft User Training, you should view that lesson first to learn about the TraumaSoft system before moving on with this lesson. The TraumaSoft Core app can be used on either Android or Apple devices. You can download the app from your device's app store. When you open the app on your device, you will be prompted to log in to your TraumaSoft account. You will use the same sign-in credentials that you would use to access the web-based version of TraumaSoft. On the TraumaSoft Core app home screen, you will see the punch clock. Here you will be able to clock in for your shift from your device. If you are punching before or after your scheduled shift times, you will be prompted to provide a discrepancy reason. The TraumaSoft Core app uses geofences to verify that you are punching at a base station or an approved location. If you are inside the geofence, your punch will be accepted without an error. You will receive an error message if you are not within the geofence. To use the time clock function, your location services must be enabled for the TraumaSoft Core app on your device settings. You can check your TraumaSoft mailbox from the home screen by tapping on the envelope icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you scroll down on the home screen, you will see the certification section. From this spot, you can upload new certification documents for approval right from your mobile device. Tap the Submit a Cert bar to add a new certification. A new screen will open where you can select the certification you are preparing to upload by choosing a name from the drop-down list. Next, enter the effective and expiration dates and the issuing agency and certification number, if applicable. Next, you will need to upload an image file of your certification document by clicking on the Select File Tap Here box, and then choosing the file stored on your device or taking a picture of the certification document using your device's camera. Repeat these steps for the rear image of the certification document if applicable. Remember that once you upload a certification request, it must be reviewed by the training department for validity, and this can take up to 24 hours to be processed. If you continue to scroll down the home screen, you will see the Requests section. From here, you can submit a time-off request, view open shifts that you are qualified for, and update your schedule availability. Tapping on each icon will open a new screen for you. If you tap the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen, you will open the Schedules screen. On the Shifts tab, you will see your scheduled shifts. On the Time Card tab, you can view your current time card and make adjustments if required. On the Requests tab, you will be able to request time off, view open shifts, and update your schedule availability. Tap on any of the icons to open a new screen for each item. Also at the bottom of the app is the Profile icon, which will open the Profile screen. On the Profile screen, you can check files and certifications, check your paid time off balance, and log off from the app. This concludes the lesson, TraumaSoft Core App Overview. If you have any questions about the material in this lesson, please contact your base manager, VST, or a member of the training team. There is no exam for this lesson.